Ciao violinisti, so today we're going to do hot cross buns. Do you have hot cross buns in your country? We don't have a hot cross buns in Italy. They might be important soon, but yeah, as a tradition we have all sorts of different things. So a little bit of our analysis as usual. Treble clef, it's there. 2/4, 2 crotchets in every bar. And let's have a look. We've got many quavers in this piece, so we're going to double. Instead of counting 2 crotchets in every bar, we're going to count 4 quavers in every bar, so it's going to make it a lot easier. And so that's why I set also the metronome at the quaver. So we're going to hear 4 clicks, and that way with the 4 clicks you're going to hear every single value inside the bar. We don't have any sharps, and we don't have anything that you need to worry about really, so yeah, go for it. Stay very light, okay, leggero, and then we go from there. All right, let's go. Is this set?